In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a product packaging design in Canva. We'll move from a blank canvas to a polished, print-ready label, keeping everything clean, consistent, and easy to follow. Start by opening Canva and searching for packaging, label, or product label. The templates you'll see are a great way to get started fast because they're already sized and structured for common packaging types. If you already have exact die-line dimensions from your vendor, you can create a custom design instead. Enter those measurements when you create your canvas. For smaller items, something like 1080 by 2400 pixels can work as a sample size. But always prioritize the dimensions your supplier provides so your design fits perfectly when printed and folded. Next, bring in your branding. Upload your logo, set your brand colors, and choose your fonts so everything feels cohesive. In the Elements tab, search for graphics, icons, or illustrations that match your style. Keep a consistent look by using similar line weights, colors, and shapes. Subtle details like simple icons or understated textures can add personality without overwhelming the design. Now, design the layout. Aim for simplicity. Earthy tones and minimalist styling create a modern, clean feel that translates well across different materials. Establish a clear hierarchy, make the product name prominent, add the tagline where it supports the message, and place ingredients and other details where they're easy to read. You can even find a barcode in Elements. Just position it on a flat, uncluttered area with strong contrast. To keep everything aligned, press Shift+R to turn on rulers and guides. Drag guides from the rulers to mark margins and key alignment points. This helps you maintain symmetry and consistent spacing across panels. When your label looks good, preview it in context. Go to the Apps tab, search for mockups, and pick a category that fits your product. Like cosmetics, boxes, or beverages. Drag your design onto the mockup and adjust it to see a realistic three-dimensional view. This is a great moment to catch sizing issues or overcrowded areas. Before you finalize, review alignment, color consistency, and text legibility. Zoom in to check small print, and open the File menu to show margins so nothing important sits too close to the edge. Keep critical text and logos inside the safe area. And make sure contrast is strong enough for easy reading. When you are ready to export, click Share, then Download and choose PDF Print for the best quality. If your printer requests specific settings, follow their guidance so the file is press ready. That's it. Thanks for watching.